How can we identify Obatala worshipper? Because you made mention of wearing white garments and clothes. Obatala.
King of white.
Ben.
Flow.
How can we identify Obatala worshippers?
Looking at me is a typical example of how Obatala worshipper dress. Even sometimes when you are not wearing white clothes, you can even wear black, but you will see this bead. This bead is not that of chieftaincy, no. This particular bead, white small beads, there are two particular sets that wear the beads. Besides that, people who are Osun devotees, they wear this bead. Obatala devotees will wear the same thing. But what differentiates it is this Oje.
Oje? What is Oje? The aluminium, right?
Oje, yeah. It's the name of one of Obatala's wife. Yeah. The story behind this, I keep that one till another time.
Thank you, sir.
But Oje, this is each time you see Baba, my progenitor, Obatala, Orisha, you see him with Oje. Oje has to do with this Oje you are looking. It's not just Oje that was just bought in Olode or Bada market, and somebody put it on. It's a sacred one, and once anybody see me tie my wrapper, I can wear black, tie wrapper on top, you know it's Obatala. But the moment you see Oje, it means these are called Obatala people. There is a saying that Atiko Jebolo Salowo Okubaba eni tí ó bọ. The meaning is that once a traditionalist put on Oje in his hand, there is nobody that can remove it. It's not as if it's not removable. You can see, I remove it. That's not what they are saying. But before somebody can be practicing Obatala to the extent of putting Oje in his hand, the meaning means that person is too convinced.
Too devoted.
He's too devoted, he's too convinced, he understands what he's doing. You can't just say, you can't just tell me that because I want to go to paradise, I should remove this. No. I'm too informed than that. Or because I want to go to Al-Jannah, I don't want to go. I want to die with my Oje and be buried with it. So, anybody that see this Oje, we say, Ye Orisha. And I will reply, Orisha Ye Pa.
That's the greeting, right?
Yes. Or they can say, Orisha Ye Pa. I will say, Ye Pa Orisha. So it's very simple.
Okay, sir. Ǹjẹ́ èèwọ̀ wà fún àwọn tó ń sin Obatala?
We have two different people, or even three. There are people, I have some brothers and sisters that we are born of the same Obatala blood. They are not all Obatala. They are not devotees. But anybody that we call Obatala devotees, yes, there are taboos, which means èèwọ̀ wà. Èèwọ̀ yẹn ń ṣe nǹkan tó pọ̀. And the taboos are applicable to the genuine devotee that are taking our annual sacraments.
Sacraments.
Yes. The way the Christian people, there's something they call
Communion. Holy Communion.
Holy Communion. The word only starts from us. We are the whites. So anybody taking sacrament, that communion, Obatala sacrament, you are bound to one, you must never, the day you taste our sacrament, you put it on is once in a year.
Once a year.
The moment you take it till you will die, you should never take palm wine again.
Okay, you must not take palm wine as a devoted Obatala worshipper.
You must not. The second one is that you must not take ewedu. What's the botanical name for ewedu?
Draw soup, that green draw soup. Okay,
There's
botanical
so
name.
no,
I'm not a biologist. Say Cocorius odidorius. Biologist.
You should never take it. In my house, they don't cook it any longer. But when I go to party, they give me food. Once I see the ewedu, in fact, to me, it looks like poison.
Hey.
Before I was committed, I like ewedu so much.
Oh.
But the moment I start taking
The
sacrament till I will die, then finally, if you are an Obatala person, you are Obatala devotee, it is not always good for you to behaving like introverts, especially within the sect.
It must be extroverted.
You have something within you and you keep it. You don't want to say it. If you offend ourselves in our group, among those people you are taking the sacrament together, you should not have evil. You should not develop evil among yourself. The moment you are taking that sacrament together. So those are it's like you are raining curses upon yourself. Those are three things.
Number one thing.
One thing is palm wine.
Palm wine, don't taste it.
Don't.
Is there any consequence if you taste it?
No, don't even taste
Try it.
If you are Obatala, you will not even because you will not
want
want
to see the consequence.
No, you will not even want to. It's just like somebody want to give you Isaiah.
Very poisonous.
That's the way you will see it. Secondly, ewedu. You should not take it. The third person, your mind must be plain to your people, especially compulsorily within the sect. Because as human, you might have things against some people, but people that you belong to the same sect,
you members.
If anybody offend you, you must tell him first, no matter how bad it is. We don't keep malice.
There's no malice
within that sect. That's why I wish everybody can be Obatala devotee, so that we'll be living in one word.
One word. Wow. So lastly, sir, is there any challenge that you are facing or the Obatala worshippers are facing?
Yes. But the challenge is that Obatala devotees or worshippers are facing is not different from the challenges that other traditionalists are facing. One is a big challenge that our people, black race especially, we have been blindfolded with foreign religion. And the distance is too far. This has gone too far.